Hi, welcome to today's class and today's lesson using and, but, and or. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to specify the function of and, but, and or, what do they do, and how to use them in sentences. What are and, but, and or? And, but, and or are coordinating conjunctions. What do coordinating conjunctions do? The coordinating conjunctions and, but, and or join sentence parts. Let's start with and. What does and do? And adds information. I went to the park and I fed the duck. We added an information which is feeding the duck. Now, what about or? Well, or shows choice. For example, you can play football or you can play basketball. So we have showed a choice between playing football and basketball. You can either play football or play basketball. Now, but. But shows contrast. Let's take an example to understand this more. Joe studied well, but he failed the exam. But is used here to show contrast that although Joe studied well, he failed the exam. When we study well, we should at least succeed the exam. However, Joe studied well but failed the exam, which counteracts the expected result. Now, activity time. In this activity, you have to underline the coordinating conjunction in each sentence. Let's try to solve the first three together. Number 1. She asked him to stay, but he had to go to work. Where is the coordinating conjunction in the sentence? Yes, but is the coordinating conjunction. What does but do? But shows contrast. She asked him to stay, but he had to go to work. So instead of staying, he went to work. Number 2. Sally walks to school and Rebecca takes the bus. Where is the coordinating conjunction in the sentence? The coordinating conjunction in the sentence is and. Yes, and is the coordinating conjunction. And adds information. Sally walks to school and Rebecca takes the bus. And adds information. Number 3. Mike and I might go to the museum. Or we might go to a cafe. Where is the coordinating conjunction in this sentence? Remember, a coordinating conjunction combines two sentence parts. So, Mike and I might go to the museum is the first sentence. We might go to a cafe is the second sentence. And they are both joined by or. Yes, or is the coordinating conjunction. Or shows choice, if you remember. We might go to the museum or we might go to a cafe. Now, how about you do the rest on your own? Read number 4, 5, and 6 thoroughly, and then try to answer yourself. When finished, you can compare your answers to this answer key. And good luck! That was all for this lesson. Thank you, and see you next time.